Hi guys, so today's lunch and dinner we're making fish soup and we are using this vegetable and also fried fish, also preparing something for kinilaw, squid kinilaw and adobo squid because it's so yummy guys. And then yeah, so we have everything here and this is the camp kitchen here, so you can do barbecues and then they have 3 tables as well. So I think it's just very handy guys, and they have the fridge, very handy to do it here because if you are preparing like plenty of food, then I think the big kitchen is really good for that. Yeah, so yeah, so look at that guys, it's cooking, it's so yummy. I'm so hungry. This is my tuna guys. So, yum, I can smell that food is so it has everything: lemongrass, capsicum, chili, pepper, onions and tomato. So that's how we cook our Filipino fish soup. Yeah, yummy. Hi guys, nagluto nga akong servant. Kuan ba ako? Best kadaluto. Kung tinula. She's cooking the sabaw. Ang fish pakita. Oh, she's frying the fish pan. And this one. That is the yellowtail guys. We call it yellowtail. This one is this one guys. She's cooking. She's making the yummy Look at that. Yummy guys. We're going back to the kitchen. She's very sexy guys. Look at that, oh. Very sexy cooking lady. Kani ang tinuod nga sexy guys. Oh, puti pag kilikili. Ang kilikili sa ipakita. Oh, lala. Ang kilikili ba? Ang kilikili. Oh. Kilikili. Ito mo ang kilikili. Oh my gosh.
Did you guys eat this when you were kids?
So what's wrong with it?
There's our kinilaw.
You need the flavor.
And the apple salad. Paksiw.
When you travel the world, you need to
And
try all
pinuya.
that.
Say hi.
You need to marry a rich man. Buy you a steak.
Guys, human kaon. Karito na kay busog nami guys. Tulog kay kapoy na tulog nami.
Kapoy na.
Sarah guys, ay gusto mag-swimming bisan tignaw. So she asked her mom, can I go swimming? And her mom is busy cooking. So I said, okay, I will take you. You having fun, Sarah?
Likes me too much.
The ladybug likes you so much.
No, it's not.
Why don't you swim with the ladybug?
No, the ladybug tried when it shit the water.
Yeah, we can swim
I
both.
saved it.
So in this caravan park guys, they have
It now likes
swimming
me.
pool. So this is really good. It's really good. Yeah, nice swimming pool. What's the matter?
Not too much.
Yeah. So after the big lunch, I feel so tired now, guys. I feel like I want to go to sleep, but then I have to watch Sarah because she would like to go to this pool and swim. So I have to be with her and watch her. I'm feeling sleepy. Alright, guys. I'll see you later. Thank you. Bye.